The power of unity. Understanding strength in numbers. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and powerful phrase, strength in numbers. This phrase holds a lot of meaning, especially when it comes to teamwork, unity, and collective effort. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the literal meaning, but also how it applies in various contexts. Let's get started. Strength in numbers is an idiomatic expression that suggests a group of people have a greater ability to achieve goals, face challenges, or provide protection when they work together rather than individually. The word strength here doesn't just mean physical power. It encompasses power in many forms, be it emotional, social, or strategic. And numbers refers to the count of individuals within a group. The phrase emphasizes that there's an inherent power in the collective that surpasses what individuals can achieve on their own. Throughout history, the concept of strength in numbers has been a cornerstone in battles, social movements, and even in sports. For instance, workers uniting to form unions or people coming together for civil rights marches demonstrate this phrase in action. These examples show how solidarity not only amplifies the voice but also fortifies the resolve and impact of a group. It's a testament to human cooperation and our social nature. In today's world, the idea of strength in numbers can be seen in various scenarios, from crowdfunding campaigns to social media movements and team projects at work or school. It teaches us the importance of collaboration, sharing ideas, and supporting one another. When we pool our resources, skills, and efforts, we're more likely to overcome obstacles and reach our objectives. Strength in numbers is more than just a saying. It's a principle that encourages unity, collaboration, and the belief in collective effort over individual prowess. Whether in historical contexts, everyday situations, or facing future challenges, this phrase reminds us of the incredible potential we have when we stand together. We hope this video has shed light on the profound meaning behind strength in numbers. Thank you for watching, and remember, together, we are stronger. See you in the next video.